What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss there. And a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some viewers and subscribers in a Jamaica, I want to know what really are going on in my people, because, yo, them something I done at Jamaica, you know. When I start take out the woman, them 3 points of people and take out people life, me just don't know my people. I just don't know. Because some people, I see them a take out at Jamaica, me have to think, me have to wonder, and I say, why? You understand? Or what these people could have really do to deserve what really reach them, my people. See? So, on Tuesday now, my viewers and subscribers, which is July the 12th, 2022, a female gospel singer.
The enemy stop spamming, man. Stop spamming. Who you spam me so far? You just spam like a pot on a pin. All the oil will crinkle. All the powder will crinkle. You see nothing in our work. All the oil of fire you are born. All the wanga you are born. You don't see nothing in our work. All the money you are sent from. You don't see nothing in our one. The enemy, what you did there when Jesus called me? When Jesus blessed me? The enemy, he say anything you bounce for me. He bounce back for you. The enemy, anything you bounce for me. He bounce back for you. The enemy, anything you bounce for me. He bounce back for you. Me have a God that watch over me, and a God that protect me. The enemy.
A lot of people know a Charmian. Correct name is Carmen Wellington, my people. 57-year-old, you know, of St. Elizabeth, my people. Zane, Burn Savannah. And them say this lady was in her yard, my people, sometime close to 9 p.m. in the night, you know, my people. Seeing when a car pull up, because them say she did it with family members and thing, my people.
And then Mike got the money. I am like, we got a dip. We got it. Fred jumped from the counter and all 3 of us. And then I squeeze a couple more rounds in the here. You know what I mean? And then Mike squeeze a couple. And then Fred go outside, you know, make sure it's clear. And then he was like, yo, come on, let's go. You know, and we hop in the car with the money.
Blessings to my viewers. Yo, may I tell my viewers and subscribers right about now. You said that brother I'm a people. No, him name Alpha Tones, my people. He's a Jamaican, my viewers and subscribers. But on a real level, me never see nobody who can tell a story like this, my people. And you definitely need to go watch this man channel. I'm going to give you full access to watch this video, my people. Because the man tell a bank robbery story, my people. And from start to finish, it's like a movie. And when it finish, my people, me I tell you, it's like you don't want it to finish. Because, yo, the man skill. The man, yo, me don't know how him do it, my viewers and subscribers. So what me I go do, me I go leave the link below in the description, my people. I'm wanting to go over there. I'm wanting to go watch Alpha Tone reaction, my people, and check out him video them, because I can tell you this, my people. You are going to enjoy it. You are going to love it. The man creative and the best storyteller this Jamaica ever have. Alpha Tone reaction, my people. Bank robber thing. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. When a car pull up, a man does alert from the car, my people, and does fire shot hitting her, then jump back in a car, drive away. Zine, she was taken to the hospital, my viewers and subscribers, and shortly after, she was pronounced dead. You get what I say? She, my people, at the time, you know what I mean, of her passing, was a gospel singer, my viewers and subscribers who have sang out there on YouTube. Now I gotta say she have no big top hit song, but yes, gospel singer who been in the music industry for a while doing it. You understand? PF Waves in the gospel thing. Go up and look at shows and work and them something people. You know what I mean? She do her thing. You get me? As a lot of people know her as a gospel artist, my viewers and subscribers, Christian lady. You get me? But she in the yard, you know, my people. Seeing? Sometimes them say close to 9 p.m. And then car pull up. She was there with family members and thing. Honestly, my people. So why she didn't want what she could have really do so. That me I tell the people, me not trust people, you know. And definitely them set up the lady. Zine, them set up the artists, my viewers and subscribers. You get what me I say? And the man them too cruel, the man them too vicious, the man them too wicked, yo. The man them now no art, Zine, and that's why I will never stop blame our government for a lot of these things we are happening in our country, my people. Because if our government was dealing with these things when the perpetrators them catch or something, my people, and deal with them more strict, more vicious, you understand? Me just feel say things would be like this. But man don't know say yo, them do certain things and them can go there so them go eat this them way and them good. Them go live life same way, you understand? But yo, it's just too much, my viewers and subscribers, too much, and we are losing some great people out of our country, you know. Zin, them say we country we look a bit and we tell our people, but boy, we are dead, yeah. We are dead, yeah, my people, on a daily basis, and our leaders, them just silent towards it. Them just silent, my people. They are not feeling it, you know. You think so them a feel nothing? Them not feel nothing. Them a live them life. Them still a get them big money. Them the uptown. While we they done some people, we as the poor class of people are feeling it every day. See? So I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of Charmaine. You understand? Carmen Wellington, and may her soul rest in peace. And for those perpetrators, you understand? And for any wicked one who plan, who there behind this attack, you understand? Have taken out this lady life. A attack phone, you know, a straight attack. No joke, no leniency, no play. And yes, when them all thing like, you know, we not have the line of my country, so that's the people and me deal with right now. I say, who no me want to hold it over there in a burn Savannah and a St. Elizabeth. You understand? For anybody who there behind this, who sit down and plan this, you understand, who come together to take out this woman 3 points. Remember me telling you, Jah nah sleep. You understand? You all, you know, will be caught. Remember me tell you this time of the master. Time. You know what I mean? Time. Jah sees, Jah knows. My people, big up in yourself and more love and more respect and more blessings. And thanks to the love, my people. Thanks to the support, the like, the share, and the comments. So remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Enough love. Love you all and stay safe. Jah sees, Jah knows.